Mookie Betts is ending the season with a division title, the record for franchise wins, and now with an American League batting crown. Pretty good year, huh? Mookie ends the regular season with an MLB best .346 average, clinching the batting title and becoming the first Red Sox player to lead the majors in hitting since Wade Boggs in 1988. He's the first Sox player to win the AL batting title since 2003 when Bill Miller did it. Betts finishes the regular season with 129 runs, 47 doubles, 5 triples, 32 homers, 80 RBI, and 30 stolen bases in 136 games.